we have the stand itself, the upright, and the lever arm system. We've got a locking pin here, which allows us to safely connect with this area on the bottom. So we will put this in, use our nail just to push that forward, connect in place like so. Same with the other side. We will tighten these both just enough. It doesn't have to be tight at all, so it's all downward force. I'll turn this round. We have our base stand, which is our center of gravity is in this area here. We'll then fix our levers to same as we did before with the super clamp, but it's actually got an upper point limit of 45 degrees above the horizontal, which actually is perfect for our eye gaze user. We've got this lever here, allows us to control the hydraulic system. You're pleased to know it's got an end point as well, so we'll push this back down. All these quick shift levers can be adjusted, and like before when we discussed some of the slight adjustments that we want to do in this front end of the device, height adjust using these levers, the position of the device, and or the actual device position through the UDA, like so on the ball joint.